DaTerra asked if they could send me this really cool pan. It's from Italy and I'm super excited to try it. I'm gonna unbox it in this video and then I'll make another video where I cook with it and show you how it works. The timing worked out perfectly because I had been wanting another pan of this size and they reached out to me asking if they could send one. So this is the 11-inch pan. It's a small family-owned business, which I love. And they send a picture of their family. So here's the pan. So this is a ceramic nonstick pan. I'm so excited to try it. Here's the lid. Okay, this is so cool. This handle design is very cool. And it has silicone on it, so you can grab it without burning your hands. And it fits right on the pot like that. Thank you to DaTerra. I will make a video where I try this pan out and cook with it.